In B2B manufacturing, the shortlist is now forming before the RFP. Procurement teams open ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, or Copilot and ask which manufacturers can meet a precise technical brief. Within seconds, AI returns a shortlist of suppliers. That shift is powered by AI-SEO and Generative Engine Optimization, also called GEO. These systems do not merely rank pages, they recommend brands whose technical data they can verify. If your tolerances, ISO certifications, materials, and capacity stay locked inside PDFs or vague corporate language, the AI cannot verify you. You are not ranked second. You are absent from the manufacturing shortlist. The manufacturers who appear in AI answers publish machine-readable capability statements, clear specs, measurable outcomes, and structured case studies buyers actually prompt for. Nebula Digital Insights helps manufacturers and exporters structure technical knowledge for generative engine optimization and AI SEO. Read the full guide at nebulatech.in and request a free AI SEO readiness snapshot.